Guys, my name is Ekpo. In this video I just want to do a quick how-to guide on how to resolve an error which occurred after I installed a PHP app on my web server. And so the app is supposed to be used just to sell products online, and it's developed with CodeIgniter framework 3.1.1. So after installing the app, following the instructions from the documentation, I encountered the following errors, which is a PHP error was encountered, Severity 8192, and then following that there's a couple of message here, and then follow with some guidance as to the file which has been affected, and then there are line numbers here. So I'm going to quickly walk you through how to get this fixed. Hopefully it works. So this is live recording. I am not doing anything behind the scenes. So I'll quickly put up a guide here, how to resolve PHP error that occurs after installing web app created with CodeIgniter. So I'm just doing this to give you a heads up. Okay, so the error reads something like this. I just want us to pay attention to this code snippet, which begins with the hash sign and then square bracket open, square bracket closed, return type will change. This is what we need to pick, and then following this instruction, the steps are this. So we need to add this code snippet to all the functions in this file that we see here. So the file is session files under session underscore files underscore driver.php. So wherever we see all of these functions and indicated by the line numbers, just add this code snippet and then save. Where do we find this file? That's the next thing I'm going to talk about. So to begin with, I have it, the PHP script is here. So the first step is you must have followed the documentation for the app, whichever app you're installing, and to upload and configure this on your web server. So I have created a database. I've also configured the database and connected the database to this app, and then during the time of app launching, this error came up. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to your cPanel. So here I am on my cPanel. Go to the files option, file section. When you click on drop down, you click on file manager. After clicking on file manager, it should take you to your file manager section. Here I created a folder on my home directory, which is called shop, and I installed or I uploaded the Age app, and then extracted the files and folders in the Age app. Here is what you get after you extract the files and folder. The instruction says that we need to navigate to where we find this file. The file name is called session underscore files underscore driver.php. And so where can we find that? When you go to the folder or directory on your web server where you have uploaded whatever PHP application, in this case I'm working with the Age app, which I showed you here. So after extracting the Age app, this is what you get. So navigating to this file is simple. So the first thing is double click on the system folder, and then the libraries folder, and then the session folder, and then the drivers folder. Here we have it, the session underscore files underscore php. If you are working with on this section, just follow, but you can do it alternatively using your FileZilla FTP software by first of all downloading this PHP file onto your computer, then using any code editor to edit the files and then re-upload to replace what you have here. So we are going to click here and then click on edit. Edit again. We need to replace this wherever we find these line numbers, and so you're going to find them on the functions, the method of functions before open, read, write, close, destroy, and garbage collector. So I'll minimize this, and then I'll copy this, and then I go back to the sessions file. The first line number is 132, don't forget. So so let's scroll down to line number 132. Here we have it. So it's an open function, and just above the open function we are going to drop the file we just copied. So line 132, I will paste that code here. Actually I'm supposed to paste the code and press enter, but if I do that I'm going to lose the line number count, whereby it might be a little bit tricky to follow here. So at this point I'm just going to press the backspace and keep this the way it is. So that's line number 132. I'll keep a space here, and then I go back here to the error and look for another line number 294. So I come here to line number 294. So we have the close. Don't forget, here we had the open, the close, the read, the write, the destroy, and the GC, which is garbage collector. So line number 294, here we have it again. So I think it's best to just keep the code just here, and then we're going to drop it down later. So above line number 294, I drop it there. So above line number 132 as well, I'm going to do the same thing. 132, drop this down, and then take this up, and then keep a space. So I'm going to drop it down when I'm done. So above line number 132, which is the open function, I drop this code snippet. The next thing is above line number 294, I drop the code snippet here. Let's go back to the error page. The next line number is 168. So again, on the sessions underscore files underscore driver, I'm going to look for line number 168, which is the read. So I'll drop the code snippet here again, and the next line number 168, the next line number is 237. So quickly I go to line number 237. Here we have it, which is the write function. So I drop it here and come back here to look for line number 317. Where do we have it? Line number 317. Here we go, which is the destroy function. So I drop the code snippet there, and the next one is line number 358. So we look for line number 358, which is here, the GC function, garbage collector. We drop it there. Hopefully that should be it. So we have included above the open function, above the read function, above the write function, above the close, destroy, and the garbage collector function. I think essentially that's it. It has to be above any of these functions or all of these functions. So basically that's it. So now we need to we are done. We are done sorting this out. So we come back to the session files and copy this file. All right, so copy this code snippet, copy, and then find it just here. All right, so that we have it 6 times, and here we have it how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Brilliant. Now we can close this or just minimize. So we have it 6 times. So what we are going to do is, for every time we have it, just press enter. So we have it on a new line, and then find the next one, and yeah, so it's there. Find the next one, and then click, put your mouse at the beginning of that, and then press enter. So it will just be above above the public function, above the read, and then go to the next, which is the third one, and click your cursor here in front of that code snippet and press enter, and then find the 4th one, which is here in above the close function. Press your cursor here and press enter, and then the 5th one. The 5th one is above the destroy function. Place your cursor and press enter, and then the 6th one finally, which is above the GC garbage collector function. Press enter, and then save your changes and close close the PHP script, then come back here and refresh your page. Yeah, so if we come back here and refresh this page, we should have the error is gone. So I believe this video is helpful. My intention wasn't for it to be as long as it is, but so far you can click on login and the error is gone. You can click on register and the error is gone. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, just to support me to create more content like this, I would appreciate if you like it, share it, and just give it a thumbs up, and drop your comment if there's something you need me to cover, probably how to install the app from scratch. I could do another video based on request. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.